Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the affluent area of St. Jago Heights, St. Catherine, is this fully furnished four-bedroom, three and a half bathroom home, which spans approximately 3,500 square feet and offers the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and sustainability. It sits on 0.99 acres of land. It is completely off grid with solar power, a backup generator, and a large water reserve tank with a pump. This property ensures convenience and peace of mind. Designed with Mediterranean influences, the home features arched windows, solid wood double doors, and expansive indoor and outdoor patios. The modern kitchen, equipped with high end appliances, is a chef's dream, while the spacious living areas provide the perfect setting for relaxation and entertaining. Perched on an elevated lot, the home boasts stunning panoramic views of Kingston, St. Catherine, and the surrounding mountains and waterfront. The meticulously maintained landscaped gardens at the front features beautiful flora and fauna, including a lily pond, and at the back are mature fruit trees, including lychee, mango, naseberry, avocado, ackee, and a small greenhouse, complete with a top-tier security system and removable arcane shutters. This exceptional home is move-in ready. Don't miss this excellent opportunity to make this yours. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 465,000 or Jamaican $73.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.